This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release latch located under the steering wheel. Release the hood safety latch and raise the hood. Chock the rear wheels. Loosen the relevant front wheel lug nuts. Jack up the front of the car. Place jack stands under the frame. Support the vehicle securely. Remove all lug nuts. Remove the appropriate wheel. Unclip the ABS wheel speed sensor wiring harness and clip from the upper end of the shock. Place an open-ended wrench on the lower piston rod nut to hold the shock from turning, and remove the upper shock mounting nut. Remove the retainer and bushing. Remove the two shock lower mounting nuts from underneath the lower control arm. Then pull the shock out from below. If the new shock absorber didn't include new retainers and bushings, transfer the old retainers and bushings to the new shock absorber, assembling them in the same orientation. Make sure the retainers and bushings are in passable condition and are not chipped or cracked. Insert the shock through the mounting hole in the lower control arm and install the shock lower mounting nuts. Using a floor jack, jack up the control arm a few inches while guiding the upper piston rod end of the shock through the upper mount. Make sure that the lower retainer and bushing is pre-fitted to the shock properly beneath the mount. Install the upper bushing, retainer, and mounting nut. Tighten the shock absorber lower mounting nuts to the specified torque setting. Tighten the shock upper mounting nut to the specified torque setting while counter-holding the nut beneath the upper mount. Remove the floor jack. Attach the ABS wheel speed sensor wiring harness and clip to the shock. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front shock absorber.